Hey loves, welcome back. Before I dive into today's opportunity, let me quickly ask you this. If you had the chance to relocate abroad with your whole family, which country would be your first choice? Drop it in the comment below, because you never know, your dream country might just be the next opportunity we cover on this channel. Now, let's talk about today's opportunity. Most countries are constantly changing their immigration rules, making it harder and harder for foreigners to plan ahead. But what if I told you there is one country with a stable work visa system, a country where you can get a 4-year work permit, a pathway to permanent residency, and even the chance to bring your spouse and children along, with your partner getting an open work permit to work in any field of their choice. And here's the best part: you don't need a degree, you don't need years of professional experience, and you don't even need to speak the local language to qualify. This is the kind of opportunity that can completely change your life. So stay with me to the very end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to apply, where to find verified job postings, and how this program can open the door to permanent residency for you and your family. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Peace, and on this channel I share everything relocation that will help you live, study and work in abroad. So feel free to like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience who are looking to work abroad. Subscribe to the channel for more verified info, and do not forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. I respond to all of them. Share this video to anybody out there looking for work abroad opportunities. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know how we do it here: verified info, legit info, okay, verified links. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you get to know the name of the country. Okay, I don't want you to ask me what's the name of the country in the comments when you have not watched the video to the end. So watch the video to the end, because I'll reveal the name of the country. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. The country we are talking about today is one of the safest and most family-friendly nations in Europe. It has one of the highest salary pay rates in the world. It offers a healthy work-life balance, and unlike many other destinations, its immigration policy is stable, which means you don't have to worry about sudden changes shutting down the doors to your dreams. Okay, this makes it one of the best relocation pathways in 2025 for anyone serious about building a secure future abroad. Here are the top 5 reasons why this pathway is so attractive. 1. 4-year work permit. This is not just a short seasonal contract. You are looking at a full 4-year work permit. 2. Pathway to permanent residency. After working and living in the country on this permit, you can transition into permanent residency. 3. Family relocation. Yes, your spouse and children can move with you. Even better, your spouse gets an open work permit, meaning they can work in any sector. Are you hearing me now? So the fourth one about this opportunity is that they have good salary and benefits. On average, salaries range between 2,000 euros to 3,500 per month, depending on the role. Overtime and night shifts pay extra. Number 5, employer provided health insurance. Workers are covered by free health insurance through their employer. The 6 benefits: safe and welcoming environment. This is a country where safety and community are a priority. Benefit number 7, they have English-friendly jobs. While knowing the local language is a plus, many of these jobs only require English. Okay, so let's talk about eligibility requirements. So what does it take to qualify? The requirements are surprisingly simple. You have to be aged between 18 to 65 years old. Education, a minimum of secondary school certification, no university degree or diploma required. Language, basic English is enough. Knowledge of the local language is an advantage but not compulsory. Health and fitness. You must be physically fit and able to handle the tasks involved, especially for roles like care work and warehouse. Police clearance. Not required during job application, but you will need it later for the visa process. Work readiness. A willingness to relocate and take up full-time work. That is it. No impossible demands, no expensive certificates. So, what are the types of jobs available? Let's break it down to the roles currently in high demand under this pathway. Number 1, care jobs. Yes, if you have experience in caregiving, healthcare assistance, or supporting elderly people, you'll find plenty of openings. Care roles are in very high demand and are especially suitable for people with compassion and patience. The average salary here monthly is around 2,000 to 3,000 euros monthly, okay? And we have so many benefits like night shift allowance, health insurance, and often housing support from few employers, okay? Another high in demand job is warehouse jobs, okay? For those who are physically strong and don't mind handling packages or working in logistics centers, warehouse jobs are available, and the average salary between 2,000 to 2,008 monthly in euros, okay? Then the requirement, obviously, you must be physically fit, okay? And you should have the ability to follow instructions and sometimes forklift training, which is always provided by the employer. The third in-demand job in this country is cleaning and seasonal jobs. Many companies also hire cleaners, hotel staff, and seasonal workers, especially in tourism and hospitality. And the average salary is between 2,000 to 2,004 monthly. And benefit is that they have overtime opportunities and flexible work schedules. The last in-demand job is logistics and hospitality. There are other jobs, okay, but these are the in-demand one, okay. We're currently recruiting from overseas, okay. So they have roles like kitchen assistants, drivers, and logistics support are also available, and the average salary between 2,000 to 2,007 monthly. And the requirement, basic English and the ability to work flexible shifts. So now, here is where it gets even better. This 4-year work permit is a direct pathway to permanent residency. After completing your initial work years, you become eligible to apply for residency, and from there, you are on track to citizenship if you choose to stay long term. Your family also benefits from this pathway. Children can access education and your spouse can work without restrictions. This isn't just a temporary job, it's a life-changing relocation package. If you have watched up to this point, please kindly do me a favor. Please click that like button so that other people looking for work abroad opportunities can come across this video like you have done, okay? Now, let's talk about language requirements. A quick note about language. Most of the available jobs require only English. If you know Finnish, it's a bonus and gives you an edge, but is not mandatory. Employers understand that international candidates may not be fluent in the local language, so don't let the language barrier stop you. I've given you an hint about the country. Let me know if you grab that. Okay, now let's talk about how we can apply for these jobs. The process is straightforward. Visit the verified job portal, step number 1. Use the keyword warehouse, care, or the role you are targeting. Translate the page to English if needed. Okay, you can use Google Translator for that. Okay. Step 4, submit your application directly on the employer's website. I'll be providing this for you in my description, so check that out. Once you secure a job offer, you apply for the D visa to relocate and work. Okay, let's reveal some of the job portals that are verified, because I know you have been waiting for this part. These are the verified platforms you can find real opportunities. You can go to Jobly. I will provide the link in my description, okay? This is a broad job portal where you can search for care, warehouse, cleaning, and seasonal jobs. You can go to Barona. It's one of the largest recruitment agency connecting international workers to jobs in Finland. Yes, the country I'm talking about is called Finland. Is the next big country. Don't play. Forget UK, Canada, Australia, or even Ireland. Finland is the next big country. The next job portal is Staff Points. It's a recruitment agency specializing in both national and international workers. The number 4 job portal is Dorintori, a popular Finnish platform where employers post open vacancies. Okay. On all these platforms, make sure to use keywords like warehouse, care work, cleaning, or logistics to find the most relevant roles. It's very easy to search, okay? Just go on these verified portals I have listed, type in the roles you are targeting, and also you include visa sponsorship, but that doesn't matter because this is a pathway to 4 years residency, okay? So the big reveal for those that might have missed it, the country offering this opportunity is Finland. Yes, there you have it. With a 4-year work permit, family relocation benefits, salaries ranging from 2,000 to 3,500 euros, and a pathway to permanent residency, this is one of the most secured and attractive relocation opportunities available in 2025. Don't wait until the spots are gone. Start your application today using the verified links in the description and pinned comment. And now, I would love to hear from you. Would you prefer to work in care, warehouse, or cleaning and hospitality roles if you had the chance to relocate to Finland? Drop your answer in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's been dreaming of working abroad. Until next time, peace, travels, and jobs rooting for you. God bless you, God loves you, and I do love you too, and bye for now.